Just be consistent. That's the advice every new YouTuber hears. Post every day. Don't miss uploads. Stay consistent, and YouTube will reward you. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Consistency alone does not grow YouTube channels. Thousands of creators upload consistently for years and still average 20 views per video. So today, I want to explain why consistency by itself isn't enough, what actually moves the needle, and how to combine consistency with the things YouTube really cares about. If you're posting regularly but not seeing growth, this video is for you. Why consistency is overrated. Let's be clear. Consistency is not useless, but it's misunderstood. Consistency does one thing. It gives YouTube data. It does not guarantee views, guarantee subscribers, or guarantee recommendations. If your videos aren't getting clicked or watched, posting them more often doesn't fix the problem. It just produces more data telling YouTube the same thing. Mistake 1. Confusing activity with progress. This is where most creators get stuck. They say, I post 3 times a week. I haven't missed a month. I'm very consistent. But consistency without improvement is just repetition. YouTube doesn't reward effort. It rewards viewer response. If people aren't clicking, if they click but leave, if they don't engage, no amount of consistency overrides that. What actually grows a channel? YouTube looks at 3 core things. Click-through rate. Do people click your video? Watch time and retention. Do they stay? Satisfaction signals. Likes, comments, sharing, and returning viewers. Consistency only helps after these are working. Think of consistency as fuel, but CTR and retention are the engine. Why some consistent channels still don't grow. Most struggling channels have one of these problems. Boring or unclear titles. Thumbnails that repeat the title. Weak hooks in the first 30 seconds. Content that's helpful but not compelling. The creator keeps uploading, but never fixes packaging. So the algorithm never gets a reason to push the video further. The right way to use consistency. Consistency should be used strategically, not blindly. Here's the correct approach. Pick one format or topic. Upload consistently within that lane. Improve one thing per video. Better hook. Clearer title. Simpler structure. You're not trying to feed the algorithm. You're training it to understand who your videos are for. That's when consistency starts compounding. Here is a practical example. Let's say you post YouTube growth tips. Instead of how to grow on YouTube, how to get views, how to be consistent, you narrow it down to beginner mistakes, tool breakdowns, honest growth timelines. Now YouTube can categorize you. Now viewers know what to expect. Now consistency works with clarity. Consistency doesn't create growth. Clarity does. Consistency amplifies what's already working. If nothing is working yet, it amplifies nothing. So stop asking, how often should I post? And start asking, why would someone click this? Why would they stay? Why would they come back? If you're consistent but not growing, don't quit. Fix the right problems. I've shared more videos on titles and thumbnails, retention and hooks, realistic growth timelines. Check those out on the channel. And if this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment clarity if this changed how you see consistency. I'll see you in the next one.